Okay, now you are tired of relying on one source of income. You are tired of struggling with finances, and you want to create some extra income, passive income for yourself, and you decided to actually go into selling digital product business. Let me tell you, when I started, I made some mistakes. So I want to just let you know that do not make those mistakes. So what I want you to do is for you to join, to do your research on these academies, on what they are giving you. But because I have, gotten into this, I now know at least the one that I'm promoting right now is what I think is the best. I have two on my stand store that I'm promoting right now that is teaching a lot of people and is making a lot of people millionaire. Okay, so what are you going to do when you get into the academy? The academy is going to teach you how you can create your own digital products. That's for sure. That's what I have done. I have created my own digital product. But if you think that okay, you don't have the time right now to create digital product, that you can do in the future. But then you have the right, the master resell right to resell the academy to other people, and you are going to keep 100% or 85% as an affiliate. The other, I have one course that I've invested in that is giving me 100% profit, and then the other one is giving me 85% affiliate. That means anytime that somebody purchases it and get into the academy, I am getting 85%. And the other one, if somebody purchases it and get into the academy, I am getting 100%. I don't have to share it with the creator. And then when you look at the mathematics, when you get into the academy and you invested in the academy, your first sale will pay everything that you have invested. And the ones you will sell over and over, they are all coming into your pocket. That's one. The second way you can make money is that they have already done courses in different industries. Or like I don't know what is in there that is not around. Every industry has a course because they have over 30,000. Some of them have over 20,000 done for you courses for those who are not ready to start creating their own digital products. You can select any of these and you rebrand them. Maybe you change the font size, the colors to your own branding, and you can start selling them. And this you can price it at your own, what you think your people or your audience deserve, and nobody's going to ask you why. And that's how people are becoming millionaires on the internet, just selling digital products. These done for you courses are the game changers. For me, who is in the beauty industry, I can decide to just sell a digital product in the beauty. Just go and select any of these, put them on Amazon, Etsy, or create my own online store and resell it. That's all, and you are going to make a lot of money. So if you want, I can give you the details. I can give you maybe a freebie for you to start. I have a freebie that will give you a breakdown on how it all works, and then you can also make the decision just like I did and start making money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Just type info if you need more detail, and I'm going to send you the information that you need. Bye bye.